Hey there, folks! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's hotter than a fresh cup of coffee on a Monday morning: embracing the sweet, sweet freedom of remote work. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Picture this: saying goodbye to the relentless commute and hello to a lifestyle where your living room doubles as your office. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, get ready to turn that dream into reality because we're about to explore 5 fantastic ways you can make serious cash right from your humble abode. So, whether you're itching to break free from the cubicle or just want to give your income a cheeky boost, you're in for a treat. Grab a seat and let's rock and roll. Number 1. Drop shipping, your ticket to e-commerce stardom. Are you ready to dive into the world of e-commerce without the headaches of inventory management and shipping logistics? Dropshipping might just be your golden ticket to online success. Imagine running an online store where you don't need to worry about stocking products or handling shipments. It's like having a shop without the chaos. With dropshipping, your role as a store owner becomes that of a curator and marketer. You'll discover the secrets to sourcing reliable suppliers who won't leave you high and dry. These suppliers will handle the inventory and shipping while you focus on creating a seamless customer experience. Setting up an online store has never been easier. Thanks to user-friendly platforms and website builders, you'll learn how to design a store that not only looks professional, but also entices visitors to explore your offerings. Think of it as creating a virtual shopping paradise that's irresistible. Now let's talk money. The financial potential of dropshipping is impressive. While success may vary, it's not uncommon to see earnings ranging from a cool $1,000 to a chill $5,000 per month. Imagine the possibilities that await you as you tap into the lucrative world of e-commerce stardom. Ready to get started? Number 2. Publish an ebook, turning brainpower into bucks. Are you a wordsmith with a story itching to be told? If so, the realm of ebook publishing beckons. With the rise of digital reading, self-publishing has become a powerful way to transform your brainpower into bucks. Picture this: you've penned an insightful guide, an engaging novel, or a how-to manual that can help others. Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing platform offers a straightforward path to becoming a legitimate author without the traditional barriers. Gone are the days of waiting for a publishing deal. You're now in control of your literary destiny. From crafting captivating prose to designing attention-grabbing covers, you'll learn the art of creating an ebook that stands out in a crowded market. Now let's talk numbers. While earnings can fluctuate based on factors like niche, marketing efforts, and reader demand, don't be surprised if your brainchild brings in anywhere from a neat $10 to an impressive $1,000 per month. That's a tangible reward for sharing your wisdom and creativity with the world. Number 3. Get your hustle on with affiliate marketing. Calling all creatives and content connoisseurs. If you're passionate about sharing products you love and earning a slice of the pie, affiliate marketing is your avenue to financial freedom. Picture this: you're the go-to authority on a particular topic or niche, and you're thrilled to introduce your audience to products that align with their interests. Every time someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like getting rewarded for your impeccable taste. Building your reputation as a trusted influencer is key. You'll delve into the art of selecting affiliate partnerships that resonate with your brand and audience. Your content creation skills will shine as you craft compelling reviews, tutorials, and recommendations that not only convert but also delight your readers. But let's get down to brass tacks. While earnings can vary and might start at zero if no conversations occur, don't underestimate the potential. Successful affiliate marketers have been known to rake in a sweet $80,000 per year or more. Your creativity knows no bounds, and now it's time to let that flag fly high in the world of affiliate marketing. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Number 4. Blogging. Making bank while you share your thoughts. Welcome to the blogosphere, where your thoughts, passions, and expertise take center stage and cash flows in like a river. Starting a blog is more than just an online journal. It's a pathway to potential riches. Imagine this. You have a passion or skill that you can't wait to share with the world. Blogging provides the platform for your voice to be heard, your insights to be valued, and your audience to grow exponentially. It's like cultivating a digital garden of knowledge that blooms with readers. Discover the art of niche selection, where you'll uncover the topics that resonate most with your target audience. Whether it's cooking, travel, personal finance, or any other interest, you'll learn how to create content that keeps readers coming back for more. Monetization is the name of the game, and you'll have a variety of tools at your disposal. From display ads that turn clicks into cash to affiliate marketing that aligns with your content, your blog becomes a revenue-generating machine. While patience is key and instant riches aren't guaranteed, your dedication could lead to a steady income of $500 to $2,000 per month or more. Number 5. Sell digital products. Turning creativity into gold. Prepare to unleash your creative prowess and turn your digital dreams into a stream of income. Whether you're a graphic design guru or a podcast prodigy, platforms like Etsy and OpenSea are your canvas, and your imagination is the brush that paints a path to profit. Imagine this. You've crafted digital products that are as unique as they are valuable. From downloadable templates and ebooks to digital art and music, your creation are ready to find their place in the world. These platforms provide a stage where your offerings can shine, attracting buyers who appreciate your artistry. Setting the right price and marketing your creations effectively are essential skills you'll master. You'll delve into strategies to showcase your products, highlight their benefits, and captivate your target audience. It's like opening an online gallery where every click is a potential sale. Now let's talk about the green. While earnings can fluctuate based on the demand for your products and your marketing efforts, don't be surprised if you're raking in a cool $500 to a jaw-dropping $10,000 per month. Your creative talents are the raw materials for this money-making machine, and the digital realm is your playground. In conclusion, these 5 segments are not just pathways to income. They're invitations to unlock your potential and explore the vast opportunities of digital age. Whether you're dropshipping, publishing ebooks, conquering affiliate marketing, blogging your heart out, or selling digital treasures, your journey to financial success starts here. Embrace the challenge, embrace the learning, and embrace the rewards that await you as you embark on your online entrepreneurial adventure. Your ticket to a brighter future is in your hands. Drop a comment below and let's keep this conversation going. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!